Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is International Solar Alliance Assembly. Why in news? Recently, the curtain raiser for the 7th session of the International Solar Alliance Assembly was hosted in New Delhi. Ministers, missions and delegates from 120 member and signatory countries, along with partner organizations and stakeholders, will come together to focus on initiatives to improve energy access, security and transition. About International Solar Alliance Assembly. The Assembly is the apex decision-making body of ISA representing each member country. This body makes decisions concerning the implementation of the ISA's framework agreement and coordinated actions to be taken to achieve its objective. The Assembly meets annually at the ministerial level at the ISA's seat. 120 countries are signatories to the ISA framework agreement, of which 102 countries have submitted the necessary instruments of ratification to become full members of the ISA. The Republic of India holds the office of the President of the ISA Assembly, with the government of the French Republic as the co-president. 7th session of the ISA Assembly. The 7th session of the ISA Assembly will deliberate on initiatives of ISA that impact energy access, security and transitions, with a focus on empowering member countries to adopt solar energy as the energy source of choice, make energy access universal by supporting solar entrepreneurs to scale up local solutions, mobilize finance to speed up solar deployment. About the International Solar Alliance. The International Solar Alliance is an international organization with 120 member and signatory countries. It works with governments to improve energy access and security worldwide and promote solar power as a sustainable way to transition to a carbon neutral future. ISA's mission is to unlock $1 trillion of investments in solar by 2030 while reducing the cost of the technology and its financing. It promotes the use of solar energy in the agriculture, health, transport and power generation sectors. ISA member countries are driving change by enacting policies and regulations, sharing best practices, agreeing on common standards and mobilizing investments. ISA was formed at the 21st Conference of Parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change held in Paris in 2015. It is partnering with multilateral development banks, development financial institutions, private and public sector organizations, civil society, and other international institutions to deploy cost-effective and transformational energy solutions powered by the sun, especially in the least developed countries and the small island developing states. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about ISA. ISA was formed at the 22nd Conference of Parties to the UNFCCC. The Republic of India holds the office of the President of the ISA Assembly, with the government of the French Republic as the co-president. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.